So for chapter 4, section 1, we were told to do 83 through 88 and show how we did it. This is the first time I've been able to look at it because I've worked the last couple days like 8 to 12 hours straight. But I looked up a video and tried to figure out how to do it, and I kind of got, a little bit of information, but then again, for some of them it's kind of confusing. But for number 83, it's f of 4 equals 4. In the graph, it shows 4, and then I guess you're supposed to hit where the next point is. So you go all the way up, and where it ends at, or there's a certain point, a stopping point or something like that, it hits 4. For 84, I wasn't really sure on how we got this. But it's supposed to equal to 3, and I'm not seeing where we got it. I would have thought it was 0 because there was a stopping point at the 2. But it stops kind of in the middle towards it, but it does stop at 3, I see on the graph. For 85, it's f of 0 equals 2. You go up and it hits that 2 on there. It doesn't hit the 2 on the 0 point, but it still hits it. 87 is f of negative 3 equals negative 2, and I kind of, seen that. Is at negative 3 on the bottom, it hits that negative 2 right there. And f of negative 4, of course, that would equal negative 4 because it shows where it hits. I can give a little bit better explanation with it being here. So for the first one is f of 4 equals 4. So you've got the 4. It's over here, and it's that top one. F of 2 equals 3 is number 84. You got your 2, which I thought was 0 until we got here, and then it hit that one right there. So that's what I would think it would be 3. F of 0, I would have thought it was negative 2, but you go up and over, and you see that there's a point where you mark it 2. F of negative 3, you go down, and then, of course, there's a point at negative 2. Negative 4 meets at negative 4 as well. I know that kind of kind of hit it, so I'm sure it didn't show. But I think I kind of understand, but the main thing I didn't understand